folks. I was sitting here drinking my beer, trying to displace out of this spot. And this gentleman came up, sat down next to me. And you know, you have guys like sit down next to you at your bar, they're either drunk or whatever. You're like, all right, who is this guy? And so he sits down right next to him. He says, "What'd you say, man?" He says,
I finally found you.
and what else?
Looks like you're packed up, ready to go.
Yeah, he said that. And then he called me out on, what do I owe you?
Condoms.
Folks, before I made it out of Thailand, the Crazy Mike secret condom giveaway. Folks, the challenge is over. Okay. Now there's a few more dents on this box because it's been in my backpack for all day, right?
Yeah, I know about traveling.
But my friend, okay, what's your name, brother?
Greg.
Greg, good to meet you, Greg. I want to present you with, you are the official winner.
How many?
Of the Crazy Mike secret
12, a dozen.
condom giveaway. And as you can see, it's still in the plastic, my friend. The box is slightly dented. They've been riding around for about 3 months now. And that dude has partied like a rock star. And somebody made a comment, they said, damn, Crazy Mike didn't get laid? Shit, Crazy Mike was getting laid every day. Some of you guys missed the point of it. There's another point here, right? And the point is, do as we say, not as we do. All right, my friend, so, all right, so congratulations.
Thank you.
On winning the Crazy Mike giveaway, and it's a pleasure to meet you, my friend.
Yeah.
I'm glad you found me, and he found me here, folks. I was sitting here at Hooters, right here at Nana Plaza, packed up, ready to go. So it was down to crunch time, but boom, we have a winner. Everybody else hunting me down in the world, we have a winner. And shout out to Crazy Mike for donating that box of condoms. All right, so me and my buddy Greg, we're gonna drink a beer, man. And folks, hey, sorry, but the challenge is over. We have a winner, my friends.
Can I say hi to my kids?
You can say hi, man. Go ahead.
Hi, Bo. Hi, Jill.
All right. And what part of the world are you from again?
Zanesville, Ohio.
Zanesville, Ohio. Anybody else you want to say hello to? Give Crazy Mike a shout out.
All my old pipe welder friends, hello.
All right. They're back in.
Crazy Mike?
Yeah.
Where's he at? He was here, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's out, man. He's back in the States.
Oh, okay.
Back in the States. Yeah, back to reality. All right, man. All right. Well, pleasure. Hey, pleasure meeting you, my brother. Pleasure to meet you. And folks, too goddamn funny. I really thought I was gonna get out of Thailand and skip to the next country and still have those box of condoms are gonna follow me around the world. But it's too late. I got to hunt it down.
Not on my watch, you wasn't.
All right, folks. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. All right, peace out.